Let me show you how to download radio on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and also Ultra 2. So by default, these watches unfortunately do not come with a radio app installed on them. So we have to actually use third-party apps on these, unfortunately. So if you want to do that, you simply swipe up and find your Play Store. So this one. And in the search, we simply go here and enter radio. Okay, and then it'll pull up a bunch of results. I see we have, quite a lot of different radio apps that you can use. Some of them are paid, so we can skip that. But I see a lot of them are totally free as well. Let's install this one. So click install. If you want to see the progress, simply click on it here. So it takes some while to start downloading and download it. And once it finishes downloading, it will simply get placed at the end of your app list. So we can open it up, for example. See, you have a bunch of live channels here and also some that you can also skip, for example. So see, you have, for example, different channels here. Again, I really like this app personally. So, for example, we can open up the channel and then we can listen to music. Also, we can skip tracks as well. So click here on the speaker to simply increase the volume. I won't be able to play the songs on the speaker for copyright reasons, but you can easily listen to the speaker as well. So, but also you can, for example, even connect earphones or headphones as well to this watch and listen that way as well. When it comes to negatives, obviously this is online radio, so it's not offline radio. But as long as you have your phone in range, it will simply get the data from your phone and you'll be able to use the radio. Also, if you get the LTE version of this watch, so you can simply use an internal SIM card on this watch and take the data from that. But sound quality also is absolutely superb in my opinion on these watches. Okay, like